East Janta Hill District kadeka way na ki district kabakiu bha ha ki kamshna jingshna ya ki jatiar dakakti la ni handicraft kat banang ya ki por la i babon ki priu ki badan ka sab ha kabashna jingshna ki la mi sha khamat ban plong ru ya kani ka kam kum kalat kamai bat kani ka le rap shi ka dei e ha ka bakan tiu ya ka yo ka kot jongki ha ka lai phoi terek unai tung kum ka kong san ka min ha Riyaz Khan ka badai ka he jong ka programi lead Prime Rural Kabalawan Ban Plia Ba ya kaway kadukan kabalongkum ka pick up center ka East Side Smart Product halat sutnga bahab akasinong tekya is halenti ban net sha shikilo ha kani kadukan net center lalum ya baro ki jatiar bashnahi dakikti ki bana kasinong ba phe jong ka East Janta Hill District katay ka kongsan kala ay ka jingero ya ki tiar shnahi balapenmi na East Janta Hill District kalakular bakan nang peteng shushu ya ka jinga tray lang man kershan ru kini ki brew ki badan sab ha ka bashna ki tiar gitar ki ba internet bat ki ba compare ki ba la banyarap ya ki hakikam khai pateng ya ka te ka East Side Smart Product la penya de ki real ngut ki brew ki bedai ki nong khai ni entrepreneur bakan top uba hami salahe ubana ka shinong samasi ka dakke meshwa shadam kabana kasinong berwai ka Jansi Suchang kabana kasinong sok kempar kakong la pang dakar kabana tuber sok shri kakong kersiu ringklem kabana wapung skur bat kanishua kanai kabana sinong narwan
come along with me. Where is Come. We need all the three departments coming together. We wouldn't
That's
be.
all. That's all. Yeah. That's all. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So please come.
No.
Sold out. Like when we are taking it to Delhi, we have such big orders for this Dhaka and Jansi's product that they have never seen something work as intricate. So it's like Delhi market is crazy about them already.
Here, no market.
And over outside Shillong, it's outside Meghalaya, the market is so good, and people are amazed that it's just 150. They're ready to pay higher. They're like, "Ki, this is nothing as a price." Yeah. So when we went to Pineapple Festival, this all got sold out. Nothing. कुछ भी नहीं बचा, सब देगा. So proud of my entrepreneurs coming together and setting this up. I'm so proud of the fellows and associates who have come together and motivated them to come up with this idea and show the camaraderie of entrepreneurship. But before I start about how proud I am and what this can take you further, I want to give credit to all the departments who have helped the entrepreneurs. Because for us to even help you kickstart the journey of entrepreneurship, if training was not provided by MSRLS or TCIC, or the connections were not made by Horti to the entrepreneurs into food processing, none of this would be possible. So we are all representing the government from different angles. So when the training was provided to you by different departments and when exposure was provided to a different department, we came in to help you kickstart the entrepreneurship journey in a very strong manner so that you can become businesswoman and businessmen yourself. And I'm so happy you have actually understood what we wanted to tell you. We came when we saw you, like the products were in different shapes and sizes, their logos were different, things was not according to the market which the world thought, but your spirit was that defeated every entrepreneurship that existed in the conventional manner. That's why it was so easy for my fellows and associates to work with you, work with all of you, and it has just started. The work has just started, even though we have worked with you for 18 months. Entrepreneurship is a very creative process. We were also learning how to help you, how to not help you, which things works and which does not think works. But we are coming to a position, we are concretizing the efforts more and more stronger so that you can become strong entrepreneurs and you can not just help yourself help yourself, but also help the community. So our aim is, and this is the testimony of that aim coming into reality, the fact that you help the entrepreneurial ecosystem of the state. You help your fellow entrepreneurs, you help your fellow community as you rise. You just do not do it on your own and not for yourself. And you are doing it right now. And it's just the beginning. We will make the store bigger. More entrepreneurs are going to get inspired. We are going to do better market linkages for you. We are opening a store, if others don't know. One store is getting opened in Delhi from Government of Meghalaya's side, where all your products will be kept in Delhi, which is the most expensive place, Janpat. One of my architects is designing the place in Janpat, where these very products which are started from East Side store will be in Janpat store. So work hard, we will work harder with you. We just want one thing in return is the fact that you work hard and we will work harder. And I want to again give my gratitude to the departments present here, because without them none of this would be possible. And we are again keep on working together so that we can help the fellow community of the entrepreneurs, and we can make this magic become bigger and spread across the state, so that everybody is self-employed. We do not depend on government jobs. We have the, we grow as a state and we have self-independency like a community. We shouldn't be depending on it. So I'm so proud of you and I'm so happy this is working now.
Untuk ni awakut uyarapi kada miskim ina yang office yang ni uperchan ben pois pi tangi bini menakut pi wan you ka update perwachan ye every the kami la dang am skin lang daram skin ka training ye pi support I am Shillong the dawi pi tu wa online training kawa associate training I am the I am Wina Institute Gormiat ama dengan kerana gini nong sengkam sencam lah maya isa diwa tipu kelam perang bah tu dah kelam diang perang dan diang hindi dan orang hoi na ye pi we lah bah dah yarap pi lah dan kuat pi untuk perang itu
ada tinggi hamil kisah bersama-sama National Samasi Village East Chantier District ngapun senai gini ki floor cleaner bang agak tinggi sasan Perban ini kila pun pungkut itu floor jengi berarti kinyang jipam penyap. Utang senaruh gini ki toilet cleaner. Ini berarti gini kita joy tambah cover ka program sen kayak.
Na APO kita harus naik jo.
Ini ngendra bin apa?
Nabar.
Ngendra bin apa? Pos ini isu mix nak ni.
Okay.
Ini kita ni lah senai ini lah kecong di entrepreneur. Ini kita ni jongki entrepreneur produk ini sang tuai bangi laya. Agan ni pakkan jong ni guys. Isa produk. Iwan rak nang borok minggu hang ni. Minggu aku jok depan. Nambangin penjan ke jadi baik. Isa produk kadang hang ni ada is lah setengah seklu. Ang ni ngile ru iki kamu bersna song gift kumne apa bukan ngile ngile song gift ni ladan ni party ni buat bersna kum gini kitiar jongi ila bersna
nga to ni chwa kanai chnong nga to narwan nga chnai ni sabon satha tu yang ile mk so tengis yo kan ni bukan tasnyo komensyo sui man boy kamong di wabu i dukan ta boy daw yuluti teman daw mani wa lai sakmat mo wa kamu boy daw yuluti ba boy jing ba hai bo boy sakmat ate jing dai jing thet da di wa yo ikan bukan
suk komen nang la yuluti da ni sakmat ta ulai kam ulai yaw ka hat ilai
Dah kacing don kan nikah dukan ni.
to harus ro kami ang boy nang jing wan ni bru
tapi di sini komen dua ini kamu ada semi pra entrepreneur i pada biasanya tu jemut lang ni ya komen ni plan teman dah yo ida gani rukan ye to jemut lang te yo ga gani rukan menepo bu ini rukan ini yo penjan cik baik man yo penjan ni man i le yo kui baik yo penjan yo tiar ini dia wan baik ini yo tiar ini i le kui sikit pada yo cik toy
dong akne ba ngadina po biasa seri kerting juga ya pandekar nang sangat senai ini wan banyak
Dapat ngateng kersi orang klem na wapung skor village dan ngaperni ya kini ki sbo bersabon sum kini ki bunja ki kom sna sabon sum sna ka dur bat sna bahate ya u lemongrass bat u turmeric wa rose ba lu birah ki ya bah nga mentang ala yo training dang cisnem tam tu ngila yo ban punya yeu ha te navaro ki je jing tre jonga te sabon nga kham yo nong ha na ma ba ka dan kam ha ya ki pru demo ya ke ha nga klet ba nga bu ha jing tho nga bu re ha klet te tang ba nga snyo yo nong ha na ba nga tre na gi be ki ka te nga yo nong na ba nga chna ya ka sabon na ma Kibriu ki don kambet haman lagi porno Pisat phone pi
Ah.
ki phone ki order te ki phahi man kampor bet te nga sutre bet itu hakpor mit ngasna sabun mensni ngatre salum ngasna gene ngasbo
Okay.
tahi
Cie ikang?
ngadi daka suami sedam na kasno berwai tengas na kumkin mithan kumkin
Nado mana pisang ini?
asda do senang ajar Al-Quran
Maroi pilih kan ke kam ne pi bu nong trai.
ni emam der kanong tre tang baki palonok
Okay.
long ba kumbanga yalap kenya ki ban akam
Okay. Te pilaju dia pilaju yo nong i na ka ba snai gini.
on yo ha
Mencuah dia no.
em suate ni bu be tang hayeng lada don ba order ni pha tang kum tahi yang nga je siang chong sa oh so kumpar te nga penmi ya gitir yang nga tak gam gini murah gini kien gini basket te gi jewelry nga chna dan me te ya gi ambatnya gini ko gi maleng le man chna ba sa dan ni te man ge yaw yang i gate te man haga exhibition dan mudur hinip khatam ma hini wada da pemani kam gani dukan teman disnyau sukma atau ada de chami pra entrepreneur dan te yutililang ijo ijo dan te bo ini dukan saya.
Actually, these are just so we are Prime Rural, right? So we have there are just few of the entrepreneurs here. We have 140 entrepreneurs, and my team is right now in all the 12 districts, 12 blocks. With these very entrepreneurs, we have got a back-end support system which is properly designed. So right now, our focus is on product development. So let's just say we have one of the soaps. We would be going with we will teach them what to infuse better with it, so that the market responds in different sectors. That's why we have got a marketing manager who's doing analysis on the marketing, that which product works where better. Like as I told you, this Jetsi and Dakas product, they don't perform that well in Meghalaya, but they perform really well outside Meghalaya. Same way we are doing analysis and doing product development according to the different market set. And as I told you before, we are opening a store in Janpat, government of Meghalaya. We will be putting all their products there, the Cafe Plus store. So our Kong having the juices and jams, we are doing product development, the juices and jams with stevia, sugar-free juices, with sugar, and then without sugar as well. So we have got experts from Viksit Lab IIT Guwahati who are working on the recipes for these different products in food processing. So we are now moving more on the technical and the scientific side of product development for the back-end entrepreneur. And the new entrepreneurs, we will start from scratch, like getting registration, licensing, bookkeeping and all of that. But for them, it's a notch up. These are the products of Jensi and Dhaka, one of our entrepreneurs who were handholded by DCIC as well in context of training. So they are made primarily by cane and bamboo as well. Now the intricacy of the work is so good that the market outside Meghalaya has legit gone crazy. We have got bulk orders for Jensi and Dhaka that they're not able to deliver. But at the same time, in order to make sure their production capacity is catered to, we are providing them machines, solar and infrastructure so that the high demand that has been created, they can deliver it. So it's just not the jewelry, it's the handicraft products, and it's also a testament to say that Meghalaya's naturality in handicraft specifically is appreciated across the country and outside the country as well. It's just our job to take it outside now. And handy like in the food processing as well. You have soap also by Kong Kirsu. You have Makhane wine. She's recently got a license, so she can just sell it now with proper licensing. It's a beautiful testament that the rural entrepreneurs that are working here, they are now in the standardized entrepreneurial ecosystem where they have got the licensing, they have got proper certifications for everything, and all the products that you see here. And eventually, maybe there are few that have not, but they have all got their product testings and nutritional testings with expiry dates on it. So that way, they're not just local products anymore. They are of the level of the national market, so that not just here, they will be sold everywhere outside the state as well.